Alright guys, we've made it to the Pontiac. We have arrived at the Pontiac. So I was alerted, you know, all the snow is melting, and all the snow is melting, so there's a lot of water and it's kind of just going wherever. So I was alerted to go down because there might be some near the square body in the Pontiac. Pontiac's probably underwater. I know, my boots aren't.
Oh my god!
Oh, that didn't work.
Austin, no, don't get
Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to go through that. It's too deep. Holy crap. Damn. What do you, no. Yeah, open it actually, I want to see from there. Holy crap, it's up to the bumper.
Look at the back. It's up past your, like, center.
Oh no. Oh, that's deep and cold and wet. Oh no. Oh, that's deep and cold. Oh, Jesus. Come on now, dog. Damn. Oh.
Don't go in that damn water. I'm over here. Don't go. You gonna get wet. You gonna get wet. I ain't gonna take you home. Well, come on. He got his damn feet wet now. Shit, dog.
The hell? Wow. 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 That's a lot of water. Yeah. This is usually like empty and dry. Wow. Oh man. Oh man. Wow. Oh my god. Dude. Oh my god. Dude, the Pontiac is swimming. What the hell even? This is not gonna work. Yeah. All right. Oh,
That's gonna be wet.
it's so friggin' dirty.
I know. This is flooded. Our whole river. It's not supposed to go over that. That's a trail.
I don't want to sit down there, but whatever.
You should go down the waterfall. I'm just kidding. That's really steep.
Do you think I can go over that?
No, that's like all rocks down there.
There's not enough water to even get to it.
Can you open it from this side or no?
No, there's no thing, but I can lift it and you can actually see that it's up like, I don't have exhaust tips on it, but that's the license plate right here. It's literally underwater. So we gotta fix that.
We'll dig a hole right there.
This is friggin' nuts. Holy damn, dude. This is even in the garage. There we go, that's getting some flow. Let's stick. Oh. That is a lot of the water, but